how you can upload a Canva template to your Fiverr. So as you can see, I have prepared this business cover in Canva and I want to add this as a gig in my Fiverr profile. So what you need to do is to simply click on share on the top right and make sure to click on the download and select PNG or JPG as your downloading file type, because if you select GIF or SVG, this will not work. So you need to make sure to have a file in PNG or JPG. JPG is good for now, so I will simply click on the download button. And once you have uploaded your file into your computer, next thing is you just gonna need to open up Fiverr and then simply click on switch to selling. Then you're gonna need to click on the gigs from the my business and then click on the create a new gig. You just gonna need to go into the gallery section and then click on the browse, and then you just need to select your particular picture, and if I click on it, this is how it will gonna look like. So that's the way of how you can upload Canva templates on Fiverr.